stand on the coveted but elusive trophy. They just need to disentangle themselves from one last hurdle, and they will be celebrating all the way to the new flower, or you can call it Finfine, the capital city of Ethiopia. The last one to have handled ST.George, left in a half, and left his assistant Shengeta in charge. Hand on the torch. Emmanuel, and it's a good shot by the big man Ismail Agoro. To go it alone, and a good header coming in from Ismail Agoro. Suleiman Emile. Ismail. And he's brought down. He's brought down by Mena Kedeke. And the center referee, Dr. Ali Esmedele, points to the ball. Agoro, and it's Agoro! The dance is on. Getting into action through Zelake. Emmanuel trying to get his first goal. Emmanuel! It's finished. It is over as the chairman Ato Abinet Gebremeskel knows that this is finished. Looks at goalkeeper Daniel Teshome from a distance of about 25 yards. Look at the team in blue just rolling back. That is a crack of a shot. ST.George is clearly in the driving seat as they try to execute one through their captain Haida Sherefa. Gazmawi, Emmanuel! Delivery to the right.
Yes, it comes very, very well on the right. Good low float. And Gabriel Mikhail takes it, the master that he is. ST.George.
It's a good one, Odongo. And almost just hitting the upright here. Oh, that was a close miss.
Look at that, that was a clear handball. A clear offside. Oh, that one.
Yes, the center referee, Dr. Haile Jesus Bizazao, comes or brings this game to a close. The chairman Ato Abinet Gebremeskel. And the information that we're getting on the other side is that Dredawa have managed to beat Fasil Kenema by 3-2. And what that equally means is that Addis Ababa is going home. They're going down to the higher league. And where Frank Nuttall was not able to bring to these boys in orange, where Mahir Davis was not able to bring to this team in orange. As much as in his heart he's celebrating, but he also doesn't feel good for his counterpart Richmond Adongo. As we go to the full-time break, it's St.George 4 and Addis Ababa 0.
Abinet Gebremeskel, a very, very happy man this afternoon.
Well, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, and this